Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock, and this video is applicable for every brand phones like Samsung, Xiaomi, Mi, Oppo. Every kind of smartphone you can unlock with the help of this master unlocking method. But before starting this video, there are some cautions. You will have to follow these type of cautions to unlock your smartphone. And the main thing is that if my previous video didn't work on your smartphone, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also give you why sometimes these type of method don't work on your smartphone. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be less than charged 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted, okay? So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge at least 30%, or you may also take help of your phone's charger at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this trick, then take help of my next upcoming videos, or you may also take help of my previous videos. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Okay, watch this video till the end only, then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. My friend, as you know, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be closed. Now you can see here my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network. So firstly, I will have to switch off my phone's Wi-Fi network, and if your phone is also showing Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network, you will have to switch off your all type of network. Okay, so how will you switch off your phone's all network? Simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. You will get a lots of keys here. You can see with me. There is an option of an airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this flight mode to close all the network. Okay, so now I'm going to activate this flight mode. Okay, now you can see with me. Now you can see here, after activating this flight mode, my phone's the Wi-Fi network has been switched off. It means my phone is now ready to go with the unlocking method. But before going to the unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone, and the main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed. Okay, so generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. Okay, but there are some special and a secret code which generated by the every service center to close all the background running application when your phone is locked, and this type of secret code updates within 2 or 3 days. Okay, and if your phone is unlocked with the help of recent secret code, it means it's okay. Otherwise, you may also take help of my next upcoming videos for the close your background running application, because it's most necessary to close the background running application to unlock your smartphone by this unlocking method. Okay, master unlocking method. So how what is the secret code? What you have to feed your this secret code in your dialing pad. So how will you activate your phone's dialing pad? So simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this, and you will get a pattern lock, and you can see here this pattern lock has been forgotten. Okay, so you will have to activate your phone's dialing pad. So how will you activate? You will have to simply click on this emergency SOS or emergency call option, and when you will click on this emergency SOS option, now you can see here there is a dialing pad has been opened in my phone display. Now I am going to feed a special secret code to close the background running application, and this today's recent secret code is *000, then *9637, then *89 *852, then #. Okay, this is the recent secret code to close the background running application, and after feeding this secret code in your dialing pad, you will have to call on this secret code at the first time. When you will call on this number at the first time, you will get a pop-up of a call failed like this. You can see with me, but simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again, you will have to call on this number 3 times continuously. Okay, and after click on this number, continue call on this secret code 3 times continuously. It means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the unlocking method, master unlocking method, or it's also known as engineer's mode in the language of service center. Okay, so after dialing this number 3 times continuously, simply you will have to clear your call log like this. After clearing this call log, I am going to give you a special USSD code, and this USSD code is most important to go on the engineers mode or master unlocking mode page. Okay, and this USSD code is *#899 then hash. Now you can see with me, after feeding this number *#899 hash, a new page has been appeared on my phone display, and this page's name is after sales page. Okay, now you can see here there are lots of options from top to bottom, you can see with me, but there is an option of a software version at the 5th number. You can see here you will have to go with this software version option, and when you will go with this software version option, your new page will be appeared on your phone display, and this page name is software version page. Okay, then the first option is showing here your phone's model number, that is RMX3471. this is your phone's model number, so simply ignore this option, you don't have to go with this option. Now you can see here the second option is showing here Android version 13. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 11, 10 or 12. Okay, and if your phone is showing here Android version 12, it means you will have to click on this Android version option 12 times. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13 because my Android version is 13. Okay, so I will have to click on this Android version option 13 times continuously. So I am going to click here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now the first step has been done, my friend. After this, simply you will have to go with the back button. And when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option of a manual test option. Above the software version, you can see here there is an option of a manual test option. You will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page, and this page's name is engineers mode page. You will also get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. After going on this page, simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other, which will comes end of the slide. Okay, now you can see here other option has been appeared on my phone display, and there are also 5 type of option on this page. You can see with me. Now you can see here there is an option of a main word version, and it's also known as database version. And if your phone is showing here database version, then don't worry at all, both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry at all. Now you will have to click on this main word version 9 times rapidly. Okay, mark my word, you will have to click here rapidly, not slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now the second step has been done. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important lock test at the second number. Now you will have to go with this option, and at the first time when you will click on this option, you will have asked to confirm this option, but at the first time you will have to cancel here. Again at the second time you will have to cancel, and the third time you will have to cancel here. But at the fourth time when you will click on this read write important lock test option, you will have to go with the OK button. And when you will go with the OK button, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin, pattern and password locks are on reconstruction mode. It means now your phone is ready to go with the new pin, pattern and password lock. But before going to the home button to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not, you will have to follow a last step which is most important to unlock your smartphone. But one thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, if you have skipped any step in this video, it means your phone is not going to unlock, and you will have to watch this video again. So watch the video properly and follow the every step properly. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Now you can see here there is an option of a device debugging option. Okay, and you will also get a lots of option on this page like this. You can see with me. You will also get an option of a sensor self-test and calibration option at the 6th number. Okay, so you will have to go with this option, sensor self-test and calibration option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page, and this page's name is sensor self-test and calibration page. Okay, now you can see here all the option is showing here operation not started. Okay, it may be possible your phone will be showing here 2 option or 1 option, so don't worry at all the option will be showing here operation not started. So simply you will have to start this operation by clicking on this option. Okay, so I am going to start this operation, and you will have to continue click on this option until you get a single test passed message in green color. Okay, so I'm going to click on this option. You can see with me, test has been started, test failed. Second option, test has been started, but a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display. The third option, test has been failed. Okay, it means a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So how will I check? So you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to go with the home button to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So my friend, you can see my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application which were in my smartphone and all the data which were in my smartphone when my phone was locked as it is as in my smartphone. So this trick really works, and you can also unlock your phone with the help of this method. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this method, do the like this method. And if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this method, then make a comment in my comment box which type of issues you are facing. Show me. Our team will quick response on your issues.